Let's zoom in right here so you can see the difference. See this area right here all cleaned, and what it initially looks like right there. Still, I have to clean this area where I can even get to this edge to walk and treat it, because it's very slippery. So when you're cleaning the roof, you all out there, a little pointer, make sure that you have the right shoes, got the husk right, able to grip, slip resistant. Make sure you have your knee-tree gloves for grip, and of course you want to have your harness, down. All safety precautions, especially when you're doing a two-story, and this, you see it's kind of steep here. So, but I want to get along those ridge caps right there, and able to do that, to walk over this safely, I got to get this area clean. So again, if you're looking for the supreme clean and you're in the Sacramento region, visit allterraine.com. We'll love to assist you. Roof soft wash, house soft wash, you name it.